Hi everybody, you are watching tutorials. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this abstract 3D vector curve in Adobe Illustrator, and then I will show you how to customize its appearance by using the blend options in Adobe Illustrator. So let me show you how to do this by providing the number of steps in your spacing dialog box. So by changing it to 400, I can really smooth these lines. So let's start with the new document, Control N, Command N on your Mac, and I'm gonna size this document with 1920 by 1080. Click Create, and first of all I'm gonna grab these two gradients. So let's start with the ellipse tool. Click L to grab the ellipse tool and create an ellipse that occupies around 300 pixels. I'll then give it a fill and wrap this gradient. You can see this gradient on the description below this video, and I will explain this gradient very briefly. So this is a very complex linear gradient with a bunch of colors. You see it here, at least 8 colors on my gradient. So first color is EBF3FA, and the darkest color is 90BAA3. So this is my bluish colors, 8 on my gradient slider. So far so good. Let's go to the effect and ZigZag. You can find the ZigZag in the Distort and Transform dialog box. Effect ZigZag. Set the size of your ZigZag to 8 pixels. Set the next checkbox to relative. Set the points to smooth, and increase the number of reaches per segment to 6 on this dialog box. Check preview. You see that we receive something like flower shape, and click OK. And let's go to the object and expand appearance to create a regular Adobe Illustrator object. Next in my list is to create duplicate and move it to the left. You can create a duplicate by dragging, holding Alt or Option on your Mac, and I'm gonna grab this gradient as well. This is much simpler gradient with the 5 colors, and I have F4, F2, F8 as a position of 10%, and as the position of 100% I have 7C, 6C, 90. Again, you can find all of the gradients in the description of this video. So let's select them both by drawing marquee and go into the object blend options. To bring up the blend options dialog box, set the spacing to specify steps by using this drop down, and then type 100, at least 100. Click OK, and then Ctrl Alt B or Command Option B to create a blend, or you go to the object blend make. So far so good. We have a very nice smooth line, and we need to grab the pencil tool and create a more intricate line. It should be your curve. In order to achieve a very smooth curve, you can double click on your pencil tool and open pencil tool options dialog box and set the fidelity to smooth. Click OK. So with this line selected, select also your blend by holding Shift key and head over to the object blend replace spine, and there is it. This is how you can create this wonderful design. Next step if you want to really smooth all of this transition between these two objects, you need to go to the object, blend options again, and increase the number of specified steps to, let's say, 400 to make it really smooth. So this is how you can design with the blend here in Adobe Illustrator. And of course, if you wish, guys, you can easily create wherever you want, including lettering in Adobe Illustrator. And let me show you. I create this letter E, and then everything you need is to decrease the size of your blend, select them both, and go again to the blend and replace spine to create your abstract letter E in Adobe Illustrator. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial. If you want to emphasize that this is letter E, you need to decrease a size of your shapes, and voila, we have this awesome 3D curve in Adobe Illustrator. I hope you enjoy it. And guys, if you enjoy, give us some bob, subscribe to my channel, and share this tutorial with your friends. Don't forget to visit tutorials.net for more graphic designer and Adobe Illustrator tutorials. And as always, enjoy the day.